We got a beautiful roundabout here. We got to get our license. So you want to. This is a teachable moment. A lot of people whose cars break. Got an atmospheric condition right now. We got fog outside. This is a great teachable moment. We have this fog. So what do you do as a beginner? Got a cloverleaf right now. So in a cloverleaf, you want to have, when you're on the expressway, we're in a lane to the right. This is slower. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Guys, I have to make oh my God, I still need to make my phone call. Oh, you roads, you have signs to help you. And then after we stop, we'll make fog. It's really difficult to see, so you gotta trust. We got great, the truth is here in heavy fog. There's a stop sign in the fog. So you wanna stop, you look left. I see my student learning, fog is very challenging. Your blinker, got all this fog, beautiful. Turn the blinker, we're 100 feet, a half a block. You just see silhouettes of people, like this silhouette. You see a dark, getting good in that steering, driving in this fog. You always have to look. A lot of times people do rolling stops. This is a mad carry. See you're speeding by? Impatient. Sign up here is telling us there's a traffic light ahead. Here's coming up here making a protected left-hand turn. Oh, we got a blinking yellow. We'll wait and check. Go ahead and make your left. Learning from me as a teacher, everything is good. Just lift your foot. Times on these ramps with fog, you can't see. We're about to get our light ramp. It's way past the stop line, so you'll have to go auto. You got to check traffic, and most people are going at a slow speed. In fog, sometimes you have to have on your four ways, and that's what this car's. It does take time to learn, and yeah, my student said I would rather use this driver. With fog, we look left, we look right, proceed. So we're driving heavy fog right now, and you've got to trust your skill set.